What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having an awesome day today. Today's video, I'm going to show you a little footage of them installing the new cabinets. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do like it, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Sit on top of it?
Yeah, you're supposed to. Huh.
I think this part.
See, I got that. I thought, I pull it off here and rip it down. No, it's not that. I got the room here. I'm just going to be inside here. So if I pull it, so if I cut that off flush, all the way down and trim that, but I still need to cut it off to right. Here we go.
What's up, guys? So they did an awesome job. We're very happy with it. I'll walk around and show you what everything really is, and just you guys kind of see where it is, anyways. But these cabinets are made out of maple. They could use maple, oak, hickory, whatever. He chose to use maple, and we're very happy with it. So I'll show you all what we got going on. The master bathroom. This is just like a linen closet. We got the soft close on all of them, even the drawers. You can see here. Yeah, but it mirrors just like right over here. They're the same, his and hers. Then we come in here to the laundry room. And this is what we got going on. The washer's right here, the dryer's right here. We're gonna have to cut a cutout right here to plug in the dryer and the vent that goes outside for the dryer vent. That was actually supposed to be over here, but it was a little bit of a mess up, but we took care of it. It's no big deal. The dryer's gonna sit right here anyway, so you don't lose anything. And we can get in through it right here, or we can just cut a big square out and reach in there and get it. Not a big deal at all. Just got the counters, or the cabinets here, just for storage. We're gonna put a bar right here to hang wet stuff over the sink to dry, like Brandy and the girls' geese and stuff like that. This is pretty cool right here. It's like a little bench area for the girls or whoever to sit down and take their shoes off. We'll put some hooks right here. They can hang their jackets and just whatever else goes up there. And then just the half bath over here. Probably show this to you today. This is a basic cabinet above. Then we'll walk in here to the kitchen. Let me show you guys something cool. I wanted a spice rack, and this is what he came up with. So the stove will be right here, and I could put my spices right here, and these move up and down. So if I got bigger containers of spices, I can put them right there and back over here. Pretty cool. I wanted to show it to y'all. That one didn't close easy. You can adjust these doors right here to make them close softer or whatever you want to do. And the same with the drawers. You can, I don't know if you can really adjust the doors, but there's a mechanism in there where you can actually take off the soft close if you wanted to. See over here. The trash can pulls out. You can actually make it set up where, like, when you open this, it pulls out and closes. I don't know. Let's see here. That's where the refrigerator will go. Some storage, microwave, and the single oven go right here. Then we'll walk in here to the girls' bathroom. Oh, I got a video for that too. We'll walk in here for the girls. You see that? Just a basic cabinets. Something going on out here. We'll walk out here on the back porch, and I'll show you all what we got going on here. Let's see here. Then now these are made out of cypress because they're going to be outside. Shouldn't get too wet, but weather will come through the screen and get on here. But the cabinet person said that he used a cypress on his back porch, and this lasted years. It's really resistant to the weather, so that's what he did here. Let's check it out. You can see there. Oh, we forgot to put that. That's got to go over there. We might eventually put a hot tub out here, so we've got a 220 that's going to go right here. We might get a hot tub that goes right there eventually. And that's where the cooktop will be, the vent hood. A TV will go over here, or over here in the corner somewhere. You can see that. This is where we'll have a sink right here. He even did the soft close up here on this. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we got the cabinets. Let me get in here where you can see me. It's got here on the front porch. So we got the cabinets installed. I'm meeting the painter today, and Brandy actually picked out the flooring already, so she's actually going to go pay for the flooring today. So everything's starting to come along. And the way I got figured up, if everything goes right, which it's a big if it all goes right, we will be moved in here the week before Thanksgiving. That's if everything pans out. The tile guy gets freed up like he says he's going to, and all that. Painter's supposed to start this week, and then the countertops are getting installed in November. I think around the second week of November. So everything's gonna, if everything goes as planned, Thanksgiving is a go in the new house. Awesome. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, like I said earlier, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you guys got any questions about anything, leave comments down below, and I'm more than happy to answer them for you guys. Hope you all enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.